Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. It's the second match in the best of three quarter-final series. Scores are Westwood High on 7, Wolmer's Boys also on 7. You'll have noticed Wolmer's Boys picked up a point. The answer to the chemistry question, what is the name for the unit of mass equal to 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom? The answer given has indeed been accepted. That's the atomic mass unit. So we're all tied up as we head into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Wolmer's Boys, you decided to go first, so it's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which specific female sang, "My soul doth magnify the Lord, and my spirit hath rejoiced"? Sorry?
Mary Magdalene.
Mary, the mother of Jesus. No, that's the wrong one. Magnifera indica is the scientific name for which fruit?
Mango.
That's right. Spell putrid.
Putrid. P-U-T-R-I-D.
That's right. Who is the mayor of Portmore in St. Catharines? Yes. Who was the president of Cuba from 1959 to 1976?
Fidel Castro.
No, Osvaldo Dorticos Torrado. Shale is an example of which type of rock? Correct. What is the name for the minim in music?
Wait, half note.
That's right. What is the neutron number of potassium?
Potassium. So that is 20.
That's right. What is 0.7% of 1,500?
1,500. So that is 10.5.
Good work.
Good. What is Joey's surname in the sitcom Friends?
Joey.
Pass. Next.
Tribbiani. In which year did the Soviet-Afghan War begin?
1979.
Good. How many medals did Jamaica win at the 1980 Summer Olympics in Moscow?
3.
Correct.
Good.
Which physicist developed the fundamental relationships of fluid flow?
This is Daniel Bernoulli.
That's correct. Daniel Bernoulli on the bell. Well done, gentlemen, for your first minute. Ladies, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute here in the Speed Challenge. In the Bible, who led the women of Israel with timbrel and dances after the Exodus? Sorry?
Miriam.
That's correct. Vitis amurensis is the scientific name for which fruit?
Sauerkraut.
It's a grape. Spell vilify.
V-I-L-I-F-Y.
Good. Who is the mayor of Spanish Town in St. Catherine?
Norman Scott.
That's right. Who was the president of the Dominican Republic from 1966 to 1978? Sorry?
Rafael Trujillo.
No, Joaquin Antonio Balaguer. Which igneous rock is formed from the commonest type of lava?
Basalt.
That's right. What is the fractional equivalent of the crotchet in music?
Crotchet. 1/4.
Quarter note, I heard 1/4 is correct. What is the neutron number of chlorine?
Chlorine. 35 minus 8. Something. 35 minus 17? Yeah. 35 minus 8. That is 18. 18.
That's right. What is 0.45% of 1,200?
Yeah. 45 times 12.
Do it.
Sure.
Come working.
510.
5.4. 5.4, ladies. All right, well done for your first minute. Wolmer is coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. What is the meaning of the Spanish verb dijubar?
To draw.
That's right. On which Caribbean island was the novelist Jean Rhys born?
Jamaica.
That's right. In which Jamaican parish is the Hargreaves Memorial Hospital?
St. Mary. St. Elizabeth.
No, it's in Manchester. In the Bible, who was the husband of Abigail before she became King David's wife?
Nabal.
That's right. What is the name of the ring of smooth muscle that connects the stomach and small intestine in humans?
Good work.
Sorry?
Pyloric sphincter.
That's right. Form an abstract noun from the word decide.
Decision.
Correct. Who is president of the Jamaica Civil Service Association?
Good work.
Correct. Which European country has scarbowie as its national dish?
Pass. Next.
Poland. Which capital city on the African continent is commonly known as Dar?
Dakar.
No man. Dar es Salaam.
That's right. In Tanzania. What is the stage name of the Jamaican dancehall artist born Ireland Bartley?
Alkaline.
Correct. What is the name of the chemical element with the formula BK?
BK. This is no man.
This is?
Pass.
Berkelium. What is the name for the region of a circle bounded by 2 radii and an arc? Sector came, but after the bell. Well done, gentlemen, for your second minute there. Ladies, coming back over to you now. Time for your second minute. What is Chandler's surname in the sitcom Friends? Sorry?
Bing.
That's right. In which year did the Iran-Iraq war begin?
1980.
Good. Who won a bronze medal in the men's 200 meters for Jamaica at the 1980 Summer Olympics in Moscow?
Hazel Crawford.
Donald Quarry. Which physicist characterized 2 kinds of electric charge, which he named positive and negative?
Robert Millikan.
No, Benjamin Franklin. What is the meaning of the Spanish verb quedarse?
To stay.
That's right. With which Caribbean country is the writer Unia Dempadu associated?
Ghana.
That's right. In which Jamaican parish is the National Chest Hospital?
Chest. St. James.
St. Andrew. In the Bible, who was King David's paternal grandfather?
Obed.
That's right.
Good.
What is the name for the narrow tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder in humans?
Urethra.
Sorry?
Urethra.
Ureter. Form an abstract noun from the word conscious.
Consciousness.
That's right. Who is the General Secretary of the National Workers' Union in Jamaica?
NW.
Pass.
Granville Valentine. In which country is the origin of the Hymettus honey?
Germany.
Greece. Which capital city on the African continent sits
2
on the
seconds.
Kaloum Peninsula,
2
which
seconds.
extends into the Atlantic
Aye, that one.
Ocean?
You're good.
And we won't have time for your answer to that. That's Conakry in Guinea. All right, well done, ladies, for your second minute there. Gentlemen, coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. What movie was awarded the 2023 Golden Globe for Best Motion Picture Drama?
The Banshees of Inisherin.
No, The Fablemans. In what year was the parish of Westmoreland in Jamaica founded?
1843.
1703. Who is head coach of Jamaica's male under-17 national
Baron
football
Garden.
team? Sorry?
Baron Garden.
That's right.
Good
In
work.
mechanics, what is the name for the integral of a force?
Impulse. Impulse.
Correct.
Good work.
What does the Spanish verb borrar mean?
To erase.
Good work.
To delete. Judges, they'll take it. Who wrote the play Death of a Salesman?
Arthur Miller.
That's right. How many pennies was a quarty worth in old Jamaican
3.
currency
Good work.
before
3.
independence?
3.
No, 1.5.
Come back.
In the biblical book Jude, which man is described as being the seventh from Adam?
Abraham.
Enoch. What is the name of the process through which pollen mother cells give birth to microspores?
Polygenesis.
Microsporogenesis. Give an 8-letter word that starts with A, which means a person who publicly supports or recommends a
Advocate.
particular
Good work.
cause or policy.
Advocate.
Correct.
Advocate.
Under the new Road Traffic Act in Jamaica, and we won't have time for that. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. Westwood, we're coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the stage name of the Jamaican dancehall artist born Andre Sutherland?
Popcorn.
That's right. What is the name of the chemical element with the formula CM?
Curium.
That's right. What is the name of the line through the center of a circle that touches 2 points on the edge of the circle?
Diameter.
That's right. What movie was awarded the 2023 Golden Globe for Best Motion Picture, Musical or Comedy?
Elvis.
The Banshees of
Alright.
Inisherin. In what year was the parish of Trelawney in Jamaica founded?
1770.
Good. Who is the head coach of Trinidad and Tobago's national under-17 male
Pass.
football team, Sean Cooper?
Alright.
If electric flux is defined as the normal electric field strength multiplied by area of intersection, what are the derived SI units of electric flux?
That is ampere per window.
Voltmeters.
Alright,
What does
good.
the Spanish verb descargar mean?
Ship or unload.
Load.
I have download, unload, or discharge.
Right.
Who wrote the play A Streetcar Named Desire?
Tennessee Williams.
That's right. How many shillings was a florin worth in Old Jamaican? Correct. In the Bible, what was the name of the Roman ruler who expelled all the Jews from Rome in the days of the early church as
Pontius
recorded in the
Pilate.
book of Acts? Sorry?
Pontius Pilate.
No, that was Claudius. That was Claudius, and that is the bell signifying the end of your third and final minute and the end of the speed challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. Westwood High are on 25 points. Wolmer's boys on 30. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.